I just see somebody with the abnormal like this, and no even fear, no clap, nothing. Now get mine, do. Okay, now get mine. No clap, no worry, no worry. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Revelation. If you don't know me, I don't know you too. In case God has told you people that they are bringing me from Benin City to come and make you laugh and forget your sorrow, it's a lie. Because your sorrow is your sorrow. There's no comedian on earth that can make you forget, that can make you laugh and forget your sorrow. See you the whole rent. Because you come God's comedy show, you laugh, you encourage us. Landlord say don't pay your rent. No, you will pay your rent. So at the end of this show, everybody will go with their sorrow. You have your sorrow, I have my sorrow. And I say your big. Now never know how 2023 one be when they drink slim tea. What's the laugh in the plane? I say it one. Now Benin I come from the Kusu of Book. Oba I talk by him. Benin people there. They're everywhere. Benin. There's one place in Benin they call Opa. You know what I mean? That's the people in the Opa and back that they always sit down. Opa. There is one place in that Opa they call Jesus Christ Junction. Once it is 7 p.m., they'll be teach your phone for them. Jesus, go they look them.
Wahala.
Some of these guys, you waiting your the rain now. You say, I cannot marry a boy that is using Corona. I cannot marry a boy that does not have 1 million. I cannot marry a boy that mommy's boy. Cynthia, hope say you the way to. That's so that they understand the joke later. You know the words. We enter hotel room and you go fair on this seat. You are a fool. Now this boy people will understand that joke. Officer, where does that? Officer, don't be lying. Police. Now for Benin police they arrest you for no reason. I was coming with day for this one junction. I heard the corner police say, yes, stop there. I said, officer, what happened? He said, you are under arrest. I said, what did I do? He said, the way you look, the place say you want to go thief. I say, I go buy Agbo Santana. He said, how many did there? I said, 12. He said, look at that helos. He said, go and put 10. As officer, where you see soup, eat them. He said, another person will carry soup pass. If you want clap, bro. The country don't dey fold up. Anything you want to do now, quick do am. I carry my neighbor children go school which day here. I say now just wait. Now see wait till they teach these children before I leave. Then the teacher just call one pikin say, who can tell me the name of the governor of Delta State? One pikin just raise hand up. He say, Auntie, Adams Oshomole. The teacher say, clap for that child. They just clap. He said, who can tell me the name of the governor of Edo State? The same pikin raise hand up. He said, Auntie, Okowa. You must say, clap for the child. He said, who can tell me the name of the president of Nigeria? The same pikin raise hand up. He said, Auntie, Ben Ayade. Say, clap for that child. They clap. Now come with me, the woman say, Madam, what's happening here? The answer when the children they provide to your question, they don't correct. He said, my son, no, make them tell her down until God may pay your salary. Every other day, your excellency, sir, I will not return the same way I came. Hey, this like I just say you are a pointing governor. There's anytime you point 1 million. I thought they imagine if you point your 10 fingers, that's 10 million. Your excellency, I don't call you a God crack joke or God package you. colleague. He demolished my house. DJ Swag, he played. Break pressure, enter. But when I remember the feeling of alcohol and this joke that I will see you, I said, no, I will leave. One thing I love about this government is one of the most emotional governors in Nigeria. You will try it. No, now praise and the praise you now. Hey. I do this and I will go. It is more better to date a sugar mommy than to date widow. Widow, children, not the young one. More widow, where they date from me. I go to the widow house, go sleep. Before I wake up, the widow saw where my clothes come from. Thank you,